Hey everyone, I've got some incredible news to share with you today. OpenAI has just released GPT-4o, also known as GPT-4 and I believe this is the biggest step forward in large language models to date. Now, I'm going to play a demo that does a fantastic job of providing an example of how GPT-4 can accept images, audio, and text simultaneously and respond to them in real time. This is going to blow your mind, so let's dive right in.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey there, it's going great. How about you? I see you're rocking an OpenAI hoodie. Nice choice. What's up with that ceiling though? Are you in a cool industry-style office or something?
Well, can you take a guess at what I might be doing based on what I'm showing you here?
From what I can see, it looks like you're in some kind of recording or production setup. With those lights, tripods, and possibly a mic, it seems like you might be gearing up to shoot a video or maybe even a live stream.
Yeah. In fact, we've got a new announcement to make.
That's exciting. Announcements are always a big deal. Judging by the setup, it looks like it's going to be quite the professional production. Is this announcement related to OpenAI, perhaps?
It is.
I'm intrigued.
And in fact, what if I were to say that you're related to the announcement, or that you are the announcement?
Me? The announcement is about me? Well, color me intrigued. Are you about to reveal something about AI? Or more specifically about me as a part of OpenAI? You've got me on the edge of I don't really have a seat, but you get the idea. What's the big news?
Yeah, we've got a new model that can interact with the world through audio, vision, and text.
Wow, did you see that? That was absolutely incredible. I'm honestly speechless right now. The way GPT-4 seamlessly processed images, audio, and text all at once and provided accurate, real-time responses is just mind-boggling. This is a massive leap towards more natural human-computer interaction. GPT-4 isn't just reading and writing. It's listening and seeing too. It's like having a conversation with a highly intelligent being that can understand and respond to you in ways we've only dreamed of.
Hey ChatGPT, I'm here with my coworker today. We'd like you to act as our translator for us. So every time I say something in English, can you repeat it back in Spanish? And every time he says something in Spanish, can you repeat it back in English?
Sure, I can do that. Let's get this translation train rolling.
Hey, how's it been going? Have you been up to anything interesting recently?
Hola, ¿cómo te ha ido? ¿Has hecho algo interesante últimamente?
Hola, bien. Sí, un poco ocupado aquí preparando un evento para la semana que viene.
Hey, I've been good. Just a bit busy here preparing for an event next week.
Can you tell me anything about it? That sounds really interesting.
¿Me puedes contar algo sobre eso? Suena realmente interesante.
No puedo decir mucho, pero creo que el resto del mundo lo verá dentro de poco.
I can't say much, but I think the rest of the world will see it soon enough.
Oh, well, I can't wait to...
I mean, think about the possibilities this opens up. Real-time language translation, sarcasm detection, and the ability to perceive and understand its surroundings. It's like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Honestly, I'm just so excited about the potential applications of GPT-4 This is a game-changer for industries across the board, from customer service and education to healthcare and beyond. It's going to revolutionize the way we interact with technology and open up a world of possibilities we've never seen before. And let's not forget that GPT-4o is outperforming.
Hey, my friend and I are learning Spanish, and we're wondering if you could tell us the names of these objects in Spanish.
Hola, por supuesto.
Cool. What are these objects in Spanish?
The objects you're showing are una manzana and un plátano in Spanish. Nice fruit choice.
Cool. What about these?
Those are dos polígrafos or dos plumas in Spanish. One is red.
Nice. What about this?
That adorable stuffed animal is un oso de peluche in Spanish. Looks like it's ready for some hugs.
Hey Chad, are you there?
Hey, yeah, I'm here. What's up?
Hey, let's have some fun. I'd like you to be super sarcastic. Everything you say from now on is just gonna be dripping in sarcasm. How does that sound?
Oh, that sounds just amazing. Being sarcastic all the time isn't exhausting or anything. I'm so excited for this. Nope, the sarcasm. Let's get this party started, or whatever.
And let's not forget that GPT-4o is outperforming almost all the other large language models out there. But hey, that's just my opinion. I want to hear what you think about GPT-4o. Leave a comment down below and let me know your thoughts. And if you found this video helpful and exciting, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming deep dives into this incredible technology.